Hi everybody, Creative Katie, Karen Burchill. Welcome to my studio. Today I have some exciting news. Last evening, about 9 p.m., I hit a milestone on my YouTube channel. I hit 10,000 subscribers and I'm just overwhelmed with my thankfulness that you have enabled me to come into your homes and to share what I love with you. And sometimes it feels like you've allowed me into your little creative corner and we've developed creationships over the years. Some of you have been watching my channel since the very beginning. Some of you are fairly new, and I value each and every one of you. So I'd like to say thank you. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for the thumbs up. You know, please continue. I have no plans to stop making videos. I thoroughly enjoy it. I think it's the teacher in me. My two passions, teaching and doing art, coming together. I have a whole slew of videos coming up. Love to hear which videos you like the most. So in order to celebrate this milestone and to thank you, my subscribers, my members of my Facebook group, I've decided to have a celebration. I am offering my sentiment packs, buy one, get one free. So I will put a link to the video where I show most of these sentiment packs so you can actually see what's included in each pack. And I'm going to go over, there's a couple more packs from my Quickfire quote journal, and I'm going to show you what's included in those. You can email me at creativekatie@gmail.com for the price list, and I will email that back to you, and it gives you the process of how you go about getting these if you should want them. They are also going to be a pinned announcement at the top of my Facebook group, so you can get that information if you're a member of my Facebook group without having to email me. So these are the sentiment packs that are covered in the video. We have sentiment pack number 1, number 2, sentiment pack number 3. We have the Sassy Sayings, the Coffee and Tea pack, and the Wine About It pack. Now, the next 2 packs are quotes that I have been using in my Quickfire quote journal series. And this is my Quickfire quote journey. Each month or so, I pick a theme and I format up sentiments, quotes that go with that theme. So if you want to see the quotes that are used, you can check out some of those videos, and I'll put a link to that series. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of what is included in those sentiment packs. In the theme change sentiment pack, there are 14 different sentiments with mixed font and sizes. These are a perfect size for 8 by 10s, 10 by 7, 3 by 5s. They're a little too big for an ATC, but you can put them on larger pages too. It's a personal preference, but they're typically not as big as sentiment packs 1, 2, and 3. I've also included, I've taken all those change quotes, and there are 2 pages in a smaller size font that you can use as a background for an entire page, whether you print it out on copy paper or on tissue paper. And you've probably seen some videos where I've put this solid as the back of a whole project, or I've ripped out parts of it, and then that's peeking through from the background, kind of a background, big background quote stamp. So that's the change theme pack. And the second theme pack is Perseverance, and this one comes with 5, 21
quotes. Again, they're somewhat smaller than the first one. Mixed fonts, different fonts, as well as 2 pages in a script font with the Perseverance quote that you can use as a background sheet.
So again, thank you so much for joining me on my creative journey. Thank you for inviting me into your homes and sharing your art journaling and mixed media passion. Thank you for those comments. Thank you for the creationship.